Hi, this is Annette from Fleet Authority. Today's July the 19th, 2019. I'm here with Josh, one of our shop helpers, and Phil, and they're working on installing, going to install a seatbelt in a multi-passenger van. I think it's a 15-passenger van. So one interesting thing is the seatbelt in this van is broken, so they had to disassemble a lot of the interior body parts to even access it. But he's showing me the spring.
When we took it out, took it apart, the spring had exploded inside. So this seatbelt retractor is no longer any good. It won't self-tension. So it needs a new one. New one's been ordered. We'll complete the video when the new one comes in and we finish the job.
But to disassemble this, some might wonder what's involved. A lot of the body had to be removed. So you can see this gasket around the door has been removed. Inside the van, this body panel, I'm moving so you can see, had to be removed because I guess the seatbelt was attached to the wall of the cargo van.
There's more pieces that came out.
Here's plastic body covering pieces. So it's a pretty comprehensive job. Anyway, once everything's fully disassembled, they'll reinstall the seatbelt. Okay. Be back soon. The spring mechanism of the seatbelt behind the body panel, and now he's poised to put the body panel back. So you've already put this side panel back in.
No, I can take it off.
No, it's fine. I'm just getting an update.
No, I just put it back so I can get to this bolt easier.
So the new seat belt's fully installed. You can see it springs, retracts back. The body panels are back in place. The gasket around the door's in place. And the job is done.